Good morning everyone, my name is Ashdeep Randhawa. I'm a student at D104144. Today I am presenting on Harvard Norman. This is my introduction. They have 1,800 employees in New Zealand and global outlet is 250. Region of operation Australia, New Zealand, Europe, Southeast Asia, and competitors is JB Hi-Fi, Warehouse, Amazon, and customer retention is digital shopping platform, live chat, after sales services. This is on my analysis, internal and external, adaptability and responsiveness to social changes, adoption to new technology, lack of trained personnel, reduced customer satisfaction, need to incorporate customer feedback, individual and organization growth, need to factor in individual growth of employees, alignment of employee growth with organization growth. These are my vision statement. Become most preferred retail store. Go Harvey, and employee engagement and satisfaction, customer satisfaction above all. These are my alternative vision statement. Hassle-free services, high quality products, establish positive relationship with customer, better alignment with mission statement, proper brand representation to customer by employees. And these are my mission statement. Generate superior return for shareholders, involve local communities, inclusion at the workplace. And these are my alternative mission statement. Develop skilled workforce, tailor-made trainer session for all levels of employees, achieve integration among multiple business until of Harvey Norman Holding, assess effects on all stakeholders in every step of decision making. These are my Harvey Norman Holding Limited. They are positive optimists and there is a fun place to work. They are customer obsessed, they are proud of their company, they are very sweet walking, they recognize a great team and people, they are always promoting. They have 4 departments but there is only one company. They grow on our own and promote within. They are honest, trustworthy and sportive. This is the decision making process. Focus on customer satisfaction has led to building great terms to provide quality services. Influence buyer choice by providing plethora of quality options. Improve brand positioning is in competitive market of customer. Trust building has led to appropriate decision making to gain the trust of customer and shareholders. These are SWOT analysis strength, new revenue pathways, adoption of new technologies, opportunities, reduce cost of transportation and shipping, chance of increasing market share due to increased spending, weakness, lack of integration of work process, reducing product demands, threats, isolation can lead to negative impact of sales and production of low quality products. These are my company objectives. Proper integration of work process across franchises and prevent decentralized control over all Harvey Norman Holding. Nurture employee diversity and inclusion of hard work, creativity and innovation so that competitive edge can be maintained. Recognize value generated by impeccable teams and find way to better develop leadership across employee base and effective human resource management to increase productivity and work towards high level of customer satisfaction. These are my action plans. The planning process should be completed in 90 days of integration of workflow system, operation and culture, as well as risk assessment. These are my implementation strategy. New farm need to be followed to work towards integration in merge and execution of Harvey Norman Holding Limited. Disparities in ethnocultural diversity need to be delayed with using the action plan. The dedication process need to be led by top executive, consultant with stakeholders and change management expert, revising effectiveness of marketplace, merging financial data system, and maintaining uniformly in operating procedures. These are my environment factors: higher representation of Maori communities in corporate sector, economic downturns and layoff, awareness and upliftment of local Maori communities, lack of technical competency in Maori communities, governmental regulation of installation of Maori communities in corporate workplace, climate change leading to loss of livelihood of Maori communities. These are my bicultural partnerships. Treaty of Attangi is relevant for Harvey Norman, being in the retail sector and employing large number of people. Second one is communication and integration of different cultures can affect Harvey Norman action plans, and lack of women Maori executive in corporate governing body of Harvey Norman. Harvey Norman focuses on merit and competence rather than facilitating local communities and their development. These are my references. Any question?
Is your objective will help Harvey Norman to compete with competitors?
Jyoti बोल रहा Can you speak loud?
Is your objective will help Harvey Norman to compete with competitors?
Yeah, it will help because compete with competitors as effective human resources management, which increase the productivity of Harvey Norman, which will help Harvey Norman to compete with competitors and will be increase in sales of product, leading to increased profit and perform better than their competitors.
Hello Akash, I have one question. In bicultural partnership, you have mentioned that there is a lack of women Maori executive. Why do you think that is and how can they overcome?
It may be because when they don't want to be or like to work in sales field, and the company need to encourage Maori women to work with them by offering them good good money and letting them know how they can be mode of success for the company. And not just women, they also need to encourage Maori males or male worker to work with them as to meet the participation except of bicultural partnership.
Okay, Akash, can you just for the strategic plan, just you have explained the existing vision and the mission statements and the alternative vision and the mission statements, but there's no any just a clarification, just whether this existing mission and the vision statements are meeting the requirements or it is suitable to the organizational, the future goals, just that thing mentioned. Do you have any idea and can you provide me a clarification? Just the existing vision and the mission statements, whether it meets the requirements or it is having any gaps, just a kind of an analysis. How do you analyze that?
There are not the tailors over there. They are not professional, and they need to be trained well for the future. And there is.
Excuse me, Akash, just can you take one by one?
Yeah.
First, the mission statement. Just if you can provide me a brief analysis, just the way that how you have just identified the existing vision statement. Just are there any gaps have you seen? Because nothing that you have mentioned on your PPT or just in your video.
Ma'am, first one has become more preferred retail store. Most of the people, ma'am, they prefer Harvey Norman because of their discounts, and no other competitor they give much discounts on their products. Second one, Go Harvey is their main motive to increase their sales. And third one is employee engagement and satisfaction. Ma'am, they also cover their satisfaction for the customers, that the customers are happy to purchase the product. And fourth one, the same.
Just because it's not very clear, that is, there are a couple of points mentioned, just the exact vision statement, what is the exact vision statement of Harvey Norman, and whether they are meeting the goals and their strategic objectives through this vision statement.
Vision of mission.
Just I'm on board, just you can take one by one.
Ma'am, high quality products. Ma'am, they need high quality products for customer, and nowadays, ma'am, they are not doing much for their products, and they're not giving much discount for the customers. And establish a positive relationship with customer, and because most of the customers, the employees are Maori, and so they don't give much respect to the customers.
Sorry, Akash, just my question, just I didn't receive the proper answer. Just again, I will tell you, give me another 2 minutes. Just mainly, just we'll focus on for one thing, just the vision statement. Just the existing vision statement. Do you see any gaps, or is that very suitable to the Harvey Norman with their present objectives? Do you agree with that?
Maybe
You agree with that it is
This is
every
okay.
aspect
Yeah.
is suitable to the organizational context.
Yes,
Is that what you mean? There's no gaps that you have
Yes, ma'am.
seen anything to improve, there's nothing to
Yes.
improve that will be perfect, is that?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, right, just